Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Business Manager and make sure you're an admin. That's essential so you can create and edit ads. Next, install the Facebook pixel on your site and verify your domain so conversion tracking works. Once done, create an ad account or select an existing one, choose a local-focused objective like store visits or reach, set a clear daily or lifetime budget, and pick ad dates. This gets you into the ad creation flow quickly and with tracking enabled. Now you refine who sees the ad by selecting local awareness and setting a radius around your store or address. Choose 1 to 50 miles depending on catchment. Make sure to layer in age, gender, and relevant interests to narrow reach, and add custom audiences from your customer list or website visitors to boost efficiency. Then build the ad creative: one short video or high-quality image, a punchy headline, concise description, and a clear call to action like get directions or call now. You launch the campaign and immediately set up simple A/B tests to compare creatives or audiences, running each test for at least 3 to 7 days to gather meaningful data. Monitor CTR, CPC, CPM, and pixel-driven conversions like store visits or signups, and watch frequency so ads don't fatigue. If performance lags, increase bids or budget slightly, expand the radius, rotate new creatives, or tweak targeting. If nothing improves, check pixel firing and account billing. Those two issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.